Hey, what's going on, guys? This is a really small portable thermal printer. This thing is actually really cool. There's some things that I really like about it, a couple things that I think could be better. So I'm just going to walk you through and let you know everything I think about it so far. First thing I'll say is that super easy to set up. I mean, you go through and download the app, follow the instructions, and it walks you through everything. It connects via Bluetooth really easily. It also, again, is portable, so you just have this little USB-C port here that you use for charging. I think I charged it up for about an hour before I used it for the first time. And it does come with the cord for charging. You can also use this spot, I believe, to connect to your laptop if you don't want to print wirelessly. I haven't done that or tried that part out yet. It's really good for making labels and stickers and stuff. When I first got it, I thought I would be using it mostly for like business stuff, office supply labeling and stuff. So it's actually turned out to be really good for all types of other stuff, labeling food dishes and like bags. Also, it prints stickers like I mentioned, so they can play with that and have a good time with it. But you can print barcodes and like UPCs, all kinds of stuff with this thing. So whatever you need to do with thermal printers, if you just need some small types of labels, this thing's really cool. One of my favorite things about it is when you actually get into the app and try everything out, you can see that it has just like thousands of options and templates already preloaded. So different fonts, different stickers, different label suggestions. So for like medications or foods, all types of different office things already preloaded into it. But it also has kind of like a free play, I'll call it, type of spots. You can go in and enter in any type of text you want, make your own borders. So basically just create your own label from scratch. So one thing that I wasn't super happy with is there's a couple of templates in there that I really wanted to use, but they want you to pay for a subscription. So I didn't want to have to pay for a subscription, so I didn't use those. One of the templates that I found on there, I don't know, it didn't print quite right, and I couldn't quite figure out how to get it lined up within the sticker. I'm sure it's something I could have fixed, but I recorded that for you, and just in that time I was recording, I wasn't able to quite get it fixed. That was actually the first time that happened to me. But overall, guys, I mean, it is a really cool printer. The price, I mean, it's super affordable. So whatever you're labeling, business or around the house stuff, for the price, I think it's a really good value. Definitely useful and comes in handy.